that is our apartment. There's Matthew looking at me. So we've got that whole floor all the way along there. All the way from there, going up there, all the way along to there. The way to get in is just through that door right by there. This is our apartment here. Hotel Odinsve Apartments. Number 7 on Skólavörðumarkið 7. And I pronounced that totally wrong. Here's a full apartment tour of where we're staying. So, once you come through the door here, you're greeted by a wardrobe, which is where we're keeping our jackets in at the moment. Got a full length mirror here. And then this is the main part of the apartment. It's a full kitchen, dining room and living area. And there's a holly there. So if you see, we've got a induction hob here with an extractor fan above it. Sink. We've got an oven. A full-size fridge. So we've got the fridge there with our fruits. We've also got a freezer down there, which is very handy. So we can buy food from the supermarkets and bring it back to the room. We've got a microwave, coffee maker. In here we've got a toaster and a kettle and a percolator and some water things in there. Full-size dishwasher. Then in here we've got our cutlery, more cutlery, cups, saucers and mugs, plates and bowls, some glassware and some more bowls in there. What have we got in here? Some cooking bowls in there. Under the sink we've got the bin, some washing up liquid and a strainer for the plates. What have we got here? Empty, empty. Oh, some cooking pans, frying pan, empty. Again here we've got some tea and coffee and salt and pepper. Up there we've got some glasses. Let's have a look around the room. There we've got a holly again. So we've got a breakfast bar here, so we can sit there if we want. We've also got a 6-place dining room table. In the living area, oh, this also got Wi-Fi as well in here. So there's our Wi-Fi router there.
5-spot dinner table.
Yeah, okay, yeah, 5-spot because it's 5 chairs. But I reckon it could hold 6. And in here we've got a 2-piece sofa, 2 comfy chairs, table, large flat screen TV. I think we've got a DVD player, CD player or music player there. And one of the best things about this apartment is its location. So we are right on Rainbow Street there, so we couldn't be more central. If we go left up that direction, we get to the church, the Hallgrímskirkja, I think it's called. Right, let's have another look around what we've got here. So this is my bedroom. So it's king bed, and like most of the Nordic countries, even king beds and double beds have 2 single mattresses on there. And over here is where we're storing things. So turn the light on. So we've got a walk-in cupboard, wardrobe here, so we've got some clothes there. Plenty of storage space up there. And I have this bedroom window. Not much to see out of this one. It's road, and you can see the church just up there. Right, go back into the second bedroom now, because this is a 2-bedroom apartment. This is where Matthew and Holly are sleeping. So 2 single beds with a Holly bed and a Matthew bed. And they also have their own wardrobe where there's extra bedding in there if it gets a bit too cold, but there is central heating throughout the apartment and the wardrobe there. Go back into the main area and take a look at the bathroom. So this is the bathroom, very large, got a shower above a bath, plenty and plenty of towels. toilet, sink, and then all our shower gels, soaps, shampoos, conditioners, etc. are in there. Hairdryer, tissues, don't think extra toilet paper. Yeah. And that's it. I am very, very happy at this apartment, very happy. This is called the Odinsve Apartments. It's run by the Odinsve Hotel. So we had to check in at the Odinsve Hotel, then come here, and we've got the whole place to ourselves. So there's no housekeeping every day like a hotel, but they do come to freshen up every second day, it says. And like I mentioned earlier, there's free Wi-Fi throughout the apartments. We're on the first floor, so it's only one set of steps to actually get up here. But we're so happy about the location. Because just look, oh, Holly.
My favourite thing in this apartment is this chair.
That's your favourite thing in this apartment, is that chair?
Yeah.
Okay, yours is the bed. So, as with everything in Iceland, nothing's cheap, so we did pay quite a lot for this. I think it's roughly about £280 a night plus tax. So for the 5 nights we're here, you can do the math, it's quite expensive. But even regular hotels are pretty expensive here, so I just paid a little bit more than some hotels, and we've got this whole place to ourselves. So we can hopefully save a little bit of money by cooking our own dinner as well, like we did last night with Holly's Pizza. And that's how close we are to the church. It's just at the top of this road.